this is Explain That, and this is a tutorial on how to go live on your TikTok using your PC. So let's get started. So first, open up your browser and go to tiktok.com and search for Live Studio. You need to download it for free for Windows, Mac, and Linux as well. But this is still in beta, so Windows will be only probably the option that you have. After downloading, you'll get to this intro page in which you're going to be logged in which you need to input, of course, your account that you're going to use. You have a lot of choices there to log in. You can either use QR code, the information that you have on your TikTok, continue with Facebook, Google, Twitter, Line, KakaoTalk, Apple, and many other more, depending on what type of account and country that you have as a main source of social media. After your login, wait for it to load up. And there you go, the login is successful, and wait for it to log in. Since we are still beginners, you can already go for the setup now. But if you are experienced streamers, you can go for the go live now and go have your own input and layout in doing your live. You can either be portrait or landscape, whatever you want. But take note that the viewers might be primarily on Android, so take note of that as well. As going to the prompt, TikTok will try to calculate whatever type of speed that you have into your internet. Take note that this is going to take a while, since this is also trying to go for whatever the possible the best outcome for your live, as well as the quality that you're going to stream on. As you can see, there should be a problem. If there's a problem, you can either set it up manually. In here, I'm setting up manually for the camera that I'm going to use. Take note of the specs that you're going to input, as this will directly affect if you're going to play on the PC itself. In here, you have two choices, the landscape and the portrait. It's preferably to note that you should go for the landscape one if you're going to play on PC's game. But if you're going to play on a mobile game, it should be noted that you should go on the portrait one. In here, there's already a pre-layout in TikTok's, since we chose the beginner one. So TikTok's kindly already inputted as the basics layout. But you can change it, move it, whatever you want, and even add a lot more type of buttons and interaction as well. This is like Twitch Stream or Streamlab OBS, as well as OBS Studio. If you're familiar with that, this is going to be much more easier, since this is a friendly UI for other people as well as streamers to be taken note at. So make sure that you're already also logged into your mobile account, and that's about it. That's how to go live on TikTok in your PC. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.